Thank you for joining in, and for today's tutorial slash little demonstration here, I'm going to be showing you how to create some birch trees very easily. So I have a small sheet of paper here. This is a small 5x7. And for colors, I have a black here that I'm going to really water down to get like a light, super light shade of gray. And then we have the black itself for the knots that are in the trees. And then since it's fall time, we're going to do some nice fall colors here. We have like a cadmium yellow, maybe some lemon yellow, a little bit of orange and red. And this is the Winsor Newton Cotman set. I haven't used that in a while, so I figured I would doodle with that today. So first up, a little bit of the black, and I'm just going to put it in my dish here, and we're going to water that down pretty good because the trees are light. And then you can get a scrap sheet here and test it out. If you want to, you can put like a tiny bit of blue in there. If you want a blue cast on your trees, more of a bluish gray, maybe you can mix them together. So that's another option as well. Okay, and once you get your color that you're satisfied with, then we're going to go ahead and start to put on some of the trees here. And they are tall, skinny trees, so you don't want to make them too thick. And for the last one here, I'm going to add a little bit more blue just to mix it up a little bit. And they're slightly thicker on the bottom here. And now you can go in with just the black itself. You can wipe off some excess here and do your knots. Sometimes there's a little cast shadow on the tree, the edges. And if something isn't spreading that well, you can go ahead and add a little extra water if it dried too fast. once you get to this point, you want to blow dry your picture or allow for some drying time, and then we'll come back and do the bright leaves on top. And first up, I'm going to start off with the golden yellow here. It's like a cadmium. So this one first, and then I'll mix in a few of the other ones. And these leaves are going to be abstract, so you don't have to focus too much on like an actual leaf shape, because this is a different type of look we're going for here. And just make sure that you're switching up your strokes so that your shapes are somewhat different here. You can switch your brush sizes too, so you have some variation. And that is it for today's quick tutorial. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. So leave a like and stay tuned for more.